Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest technology videos. Hello guys, today we'll talk about JUnit and unit testing, one of the key skills for any software developer. You may already know that JUnit is one of the most popular testing libraries for Java applications, and you will find it in almost every Java application class path. In fact, every good software developer must know how to write unit tests, and nearly all Java jobs ask for unit testing skills. And those who don't mention about it assume that you already know unit testing. Unit tests are at the lowest level and it typically checks a single method to confirm that they return the correct result. Don't worry if you have not written any unit test, as long as you can accept the fact and willing to learn unit testing in Java using JUnit, you are in good shape. In the past, I have shared some great books to learn unit testing in Java, and today I am going to share some of the online courses you can use to learn JUnit 5, the latest version of JUnit library. You can use these online courses to get up to speed with JUnit. This will not only help you in your current job and project, but also increases your chances of getting a job with better pay. Believe me, everyone loves good software developer and there is always a demand for a programmer who can code and write good tests, because it increases confidence during development and helps you to write clean and more reusable code, and also helps you to catch bugs earlier. Catching mistakes in the development phase is a lot of less costly than finding them in production. It not only will save you from embarrassment but also your company and user from frustration. Talking about unit testing, unit tests are typically written by software developer when they develop new features and not by software testers. Now let us see the most popular Java JUnit testing courses online. The first one is Java JUnit testing for beginners. This is one of the best courses to learn how to write Java JUnit test with JUnit 5. This course is ideal for all kind of Java developers. I mean, from intermediate Java developers with years of experience to beginners who have not written a single unit test before. This course is full of practical examples, additional exercise, a unit testing cheat sheet. It starts from scratch telling you about what is a unit test and why should do before teaching you how to do it step by step. This course also teaches you unit testing best practices and their sample project. The next course is Learn Unit Testing with JUnit in 30 steps. This is another awesome course to learn JUnit, the most popular unit testing and mocking frameworks in Java worlds, with 25 examples. This course takes step-by-step approach and in 30 steps will teach you enough JUnit so that you can write your own test. The first 18 steps are about mock ITO and the last 12 are JUnit. This course is not only covers basic stuff like writing a simple test, but also covers more advanced concepts like testing static methods, organize JUnit tests into suites, parameterize tests, etc. The third one is practical test driven development for Java programmers. Learning JUnit is one thing and writing unit test is other. It is easy to write a trivial unit test for sample project, but when you go into a real project where TTD has not been used and no unit test is writing, you will find a lot of challenges to write your very first test. This course helps there. The next course is Java JUnit testing with JUnit 5. I recently come across this new online platform for learning. It is a bit different than Udemy and Plural site because it is interactive and allows you to run code right from the web page, which makes it very effective. If you like interactive learning, then you can check out this course. It comes with 3 free previous lessons and 30-day written policy, which is good enough to give it a go. So I provide the links which are offering the courses, online courses. You just go through those links, and I will also provide these links in the video description. You can check it there. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.
Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon to receive latest technology videos.